Well, how y'all doing? It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a show enough good week. And I hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, it was show enough hot today. We hit 100 degrees. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I had to get the chicks or pullets out of the shop. So I done built another grow out pen to keep them in so they can grow. Give me a second, I'm finna show you what I done did. Dan, what you done did over there at the home in the sticks? Well, I'm here to tell you, I had to get the chicks or the pullets out of the shop. For one, they're getting big. They're starting to get their first set of feathers, and yeah, they stink. So I had to get them out of the shop. I was keeping them in this tartar stock tank, so it works really good when they're small. When they're biddies, it actually works really good. But once them jokers start getting bigger, yeah, you got to get them outside. About 5-6 years ago, I did a video on a grow out pen that I did. Yeah, I was long-winded back then, but yeah, I did a video on a grow out pen that I built out of wood and hardware cloth. But this go round, I was like, you know, that's a little bit time consuming, more time than I actually have to spend on building one. So I got a hold of these. All right, and there they are, wanting to be fed and digging around, scratching around, doing what chicks do. And they have a nice little area to do it in. But what I have here is, this is actually a dog kennel. This is 5x10. These are 6 foot tall, and there's 4 panels, 5 panels, and a door that I could actually access them in. So I got a really good deal on these panels from work. These panels are from 2014. They have a little bit of rust on them. The ends are start bent in. So there's a little bit of damage all over this pen, but that's okay. It is a grow out pen. All I want it for is just to keep my chickens in while they're getting bigger. And eventually I may even turn this into a full-fledged chicken coop. I don't know. Because I got my other coop over there, my do-it-yourself coop over yonder is still standing, but there's a lot of wood that needs to be replaced on it. And considering how expensive wood is right now, yeah, that's gonna have to wait. So this will do. So I got some 2-foot chicken wire, and this is a 1-inch hole right here. Got a roll of it, and I ran it all the way around the pen, just zip tied it to the pen itself. And this pen is pretty thick metal, so it's gonna work really good. And I took a tarp, I think this is a 6x8 tarp, put it on top for them so they don't get wet. And I got some old bungee cords holding it down. Yep, so it'll stay in place. But I think they are happy. They seem happy anyways. Dan, are you concerned with snakes getting in the grow out pen or a little coop? No, I'm not really worried about snakes. I haven't, knock on wood, in 17, 18 years, I've not seen any snakes out here in the yard. I'm sure there's a bunch back there in the woods, but none up here. I'm not really too concerned with coons or possums getting into this pen, because there's no way for them to get in unless they could squeeze themselves in between this right here, about 2 fingers, I don't know. So yeah, that was on my mind last night, because I actually did this yesterday when I got off of work. And yesterday I put the chicks and the ducks into the pen, left them overnight, and guess what? Did a head count, and all of them are still there. Now what I will tell you is, this may be a temporary thing that I'm gonna do right now. I have Vortex watering bowl in there. I actually need to clean that out and put some more water in there, because I'm here to tell you, I don't know if I'm going to get any more ducks, but ducks are just some of the little nastiest critters on the face of the earth. Them jokers make such a mess, but they're cool to look at anyways. I may even put a small, like kiddie pool in there for them to get in there, because from what I understand, ducks get in the water. That's how they clean themselves and whatnot. So got to put a bigger watering pan in there for them to get into and just do whatever they do. But for now, this is going to work. This was a really easy way to set up a grow out pen. This is kind of overkill for a grow out pen, but hey, I'm just utilizing what I had access to. And again, I got a really good deal on these panels, and I think it's going to work. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today, a little short video. I wanted to show y'all the new and improved grow out pen for the chicks or the pullets that I have over here at the Home in the Sticks to replace my flock that sure enough got attacked by some coons and possums. And I think it's gonna work. Real easy, really easy way to set up a grow out pen or a temporary housing environment for chicks, so to speak. If you have access to panels at a real cheap price, that'd be the way to go. If not, check out like eBay or your local buy sell trade pages, maybe on Facebook. Maybe somebody's getting rid of a dog kennel. It's a really easy way to get you a pen set up for your chicks or whatever else you want to put outside so they can get grown. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good week, and I hope everybody stays safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like building another grow out pen for chicks. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan Refresh, show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on. Get you some biddies and turn them into chickens so they can lay eggs for you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.